Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Asana step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.asana.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Asana homepage. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Keep Me Logged In box. After you've filled in your information, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Asana dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once logged in, you can navigate through your projects and tasks. For a smooth experience, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Now you are ready to use Asana to manage your projects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.